Takes 3 things back to back to actually drive somebody insane. Hi everyone, if you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about none other than dancehall queen herself, Spice. And the article in Jamaica Star says, shout out to the Star, Spice wants unfinished demo pulled. Dancehall pastor says he is chasing souls, not clout. Grammy-nominated dancehall entertainer Spice is accusing Pastor Stephen Blake of clout chasing following the release collaboration feature The Singing Pastor and Dancehall Queen. The gospel track titled Solid Ground was released last Friday across all streaming platforms and has attracted attention on social media from both dancehall and gospel fans, but not all are making a joyful noise. In a post on Instagram, Spice called the track an unfinished demo and says she asks that it not see the light of day. Stephen, you claim to be a man of God, and I asked you privately not to release this unfinished demo that we started working on from 2020, and you still continue to clout chase because of your own church sister. I don't know about you, but one thing I don't do is play with God, Spice said. She demanded that Blake remove her vocals from the track, a decision he says is up to the producer. Blake said the decision to release the production, which is also credited to Vision House Records, was not solely his own. He also denied having any ulterior motives. First of all, I'm not a clout chaser. What clout is there to chase? And on my production, it will be up to the producer if he wants to retract the song, Blake told the Star, adding that if the song helped one listener to change their life, it would have done its job. At the end of the day, if the song can save one soul, make it ande. For me personally, it was me following God's direction. Blake admitted that there was a conversation with Spice about the song pending release, but he claimed she told me after it was released on Friday that she was not giving me permission. He explained that the team went ahead as planned with no intention to instigate any disagreement between them. I have nothing but respect for the mother and entrepreneur that is Grace Hamilton. The video is there for everyone to see. She and I had a good vibe in the studio. Sometimes we don't understand why these things happen, but I believe if God is for me, who can be against me? Blake said. At the end of the day, God did see and know all this was gonna happen. In a follow-up post, Spice informed her fans that the only collaboration she had in circulation was the one with her son Nico, titled Popo, which concentrates on raising awareness on the issue of police brutality in the Black community. She also stated that she's taking a break from social media. I am not as strong as I used to be. In fact, I'm weak and tired of being a target, Spice said in her Instagram post. Between Marian Hall and now this, someone releasing music that she didn't give permission to release, I feel like she definitely needs to take a break from social media, because honestly it only takes 3 things back to back to actually drive somebody insane. So you already have the Marian Hall situation, now you have this release of this song that she didn't give permission to. All it takes is another one, and she's being proactive and she's actually going ahead and taking a break, which is very much needed in my opinion, and I'm glad she's taking a break. Social media can be a way of being an entrepreneur, making your money, getting your life together and all of that, but it also can be very, very toxic. And I feel like between her crossing over from not only being just a dancehall star but being an international star, it comes with a lot, because she has Love and Hip Hop Atlanta that premieres every single Monday, or that's a lot, and then you have the whole Jamaican crowd, which brings a whole nother level of drama. So I can understand why she's taking a break. Malani, Kai, are you on her stuff? Move. So I understand why she's taking a break, and I think it's definitely needed. sometimes you just need to detox from social media, because social media can be very, very toxic, especially when it's your way of life. This is how you connect with your audience. This is how you make your money. It can get very toxic, and a lot of people make a lot of what other people have to say about them on social media affect their real lives and affect their real family dynamic, and it causes a whole house of problems. So taking a break, resetting, realigning your life, if that is what she needs to do, I'm happy that she is doing it. In 2022, we're prioritizing ourselves as moms and also prioritizing our mental health, because our mental health is just as important as anything else. And quite frankly, if you're not okay mentally, you can't be there 100% for your kids. You can't be there 100% to do your job. You can't be there 100% to commit to a relationship, to do anything at all. So I applaud her for actually taking a break and taking a step back, because I honestly feel like Spice have become a target. And when I say a target, I mean a lot of people have a lot of good to say. A lot of people have a lot of negative to say. I find that Spice is one of those artists that don't like to be in controversy, but always finds herself in controversy, and people are always digging at her, using her as a target, using her as PR stunts, using her name to get their name in the media, and it's very toxic. And I can only imagine how she feels, because she's human just like us. She feels everything that we feel. So I can only imagine all of that on her alone. So shout out to Spice for taking her mental health serious and checking out if she needs to. So comment in the comment section and tell me guys what do you guys want to see from me this week as far as commentary is concerned. I'm trying to put up more commentary videos. So comment that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.